Welcome to FacilityBot. In this video, we'll walk you through the Requests, Allow Processing Checklists for All Sign-Off Steps feature. FacilityBot now supports processing checklists for every sign-off step in the request's workflow. This enhancement allows administrators to define required checklists at each stage, ensuring that a checklist must be completed before a request can move to the next step. It improves accuracy, enforces procedural compliance, and standardizes multi-step review or inspection workflows. To set up processing checklists, log in to the FacilityBot web portal. Go to Settings, Requests, Request Types. Select an existing request type and click Edit, or click plus New to create a new type. Under Other Settings, choose a checklist for Require Checklist before completion. Optional. Enable Require Request to follow a fixed processing sign-off flow, and click Manage Request Sign-Off Flow. Now choose the appropriate sign-off flow to edit. For each sign-off step, click Edit Sign-Off Flow. Enable Require Checklist before completion, then select the checklist required before advancing to this step. Click Save, then Submit to store the updated flow configuration. Return to the request type form, select the updated sign-off flow, and click Save. Each sign-off step can now enforce its own required checklist. Once configured, the workflow follows this pattern. A requester submits a request. At pending, if the next step requires a checklist, processors will see Edit Checklist beside the status. The checklist must be completed before the request can move to the next step. For each sign-off step, click Edit Checklist, enter remarks, and upload any required images or files. Click Complete. Once complete, click the checkmark button to advance the request. Add remarks, and click OK. If a user attempts to sign off without completing the required checklist, the system displays, "Sorry, you must complete the checklist before updating the status of this request." As the request moves through processing, first check, second check, third check, etc., each step enforces its own required checklist. Admins/managers and responders can complete processing checklists. At the final step, the completion checklist, if configured, must also be completed before the request can be marked complete. Enabling processing checklists for all sign-off steps ensures consistent, high-quality workflows by requiring verification at every stage. Organizations gain stronger process control, improved accuracy, and better compliance as no step can advance without its mandatory checklist. Auditability is enhanced through clear records of who completed each step, while standardized procedures help teams manage complex, multi-stage operations more efficiently. Thank you for watching. For more guides, visit FacilityBot Help Center or reach out to our support team.